Hej, jeg hedder Louise. Hi everybody, I'm Louise. Welcome to DanishClass101.com's Dansk på 3 minutter, the fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn Danish. In the last lesson, you learned the numbers from 1 to 10. Have you forgotten? Here, I tell you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now let's continue from 11. 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. And finally we have 20. 20. Okay, now repeat after me. I'll say the numbers and give you time to repeat each one. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These numbers may seem harder to remember, but a lot of them are just a single number you learned from the last lesson with 10 added to the end. The rest you will have to memorize. Let's not stop at 20. Counting to 100 is super easy once you know the system. Now I'll give you the tens. 30, 30. 40, 40. 50, 50. 60, 60. 70, 70. 80, 80. 90, 90. 100, 100. You'll have to memorize most of these numbers as there are no tricks in the book that will make memorizing them easier. 30 and 40 are conjugations of 3 or 4, but memorizing the tens above 40 might take some practice. As for 100, it sounds a lot like the English word 100 and shouldn't be that hard to remember. The last thing to learn in this lesson is how to form compound numbers above 20. This is also super easy. Take the numbers you learned in the previous lesson and simply add og, which means and then the tens. Let's try it out. How would you say 56 in Danish? Let's take it step by step. 6 is 6, add og, and then add 50, 50. 6 og 50. It's done. Isn't it easy? Let's make another number, for instance, 98. Take 8, 8, add og, and then add 90, 90. 8 og 90. Now it's time for Louise's insights. To count higher than 100 should be no problem at all. Just take the 100, 100, and add an og and whatever compound 10 after that. For example, 135. 135. 135. After only 2 lessons, you are now able to count to 100 in Danish. In the next lesson, we are going to put your number knowledge to use. Do you have all the language skills you need to go shopping in Denmark? If not, I'll be waiting for you in the next Dansk på 3 minutter lesson. Vi ses næste gang.